Hi, it's Chris here from Crest Digital, and I'm here today to do a review of the Bay 100 Players Club. This is a system that's been put together by Barry Plasko of Really Successful Ltd, with expert eBay trader Nahar Gava, which looks at deep analysis of winning products, winning dropshippers, to enable people to go from zero to hero, as they put it, quickly with high volume of sales with good return on interest. So with that outlay of a description, is this a scam or is it genuine? These are the questions a lot of people want to know with this kind of products. Well, Bay 100 Players Club it comes from the pedigree of Really Successful, and this company has been helping people generate good levels of income from online businesses over a number of years now. And the one thing they have that kind of shows their mettle on this is they've got a loyal group of members who regularly sign up to their programs. This is a new program for this year, and it's targeted at helping those like stay-at-home mums and people who are trying to get their own business off the ground, people who maybe struggled in the past 12 months when the world's been a bit different. But it's based in expertise, it's based in proven success, and it's certainly something that I believe anyway is worth checking out. When you look into it, you'll see there's a couple of variations offered on this with different levels of features at different prices, clearly. But have a look into that. Bay 100 Players Club, it is genuine in my opinion. It's not a scam based on the pedigree of the company, but please check it out. Click on the link below to find out more about it, and hope you get somewhere enjoyable where you want to be from that. Thank you.